So this is my digital portfolio. I've included, if you can see here at the top, I've included a professional image of myself. One thing I want to start out looking, I did include my resume. So if you click over, you will see my resume, which includes all of my current work history. I'll just do a quick scroll through because at the bottom is the most important information, which is my degree information as well as my military service. But here on the main page, you will see that it does include my professional image as well as my autobiography, just explaining that I do have my undergrad from the University of Houston downtown, as well as my status as a U.S. Army veteran and my professional journey of 18 years in retail management. And the fact that I am working on my master's in education. I did include the Texas Educator Standards as well as the Texas Technology Standards. If you continue to scroll down, I do include my unit plan. I did realize as I was clicking through that for some reason I am getting an error just on this one particular item. As I continue through, though, I do have the links that take you to the other items within my that I did complete throughout the semester. This is going to be my tease video that did link right to the YouTube video, and then this is the collaborative digital tool for creation presentation that I did with my group, which everyone does have access to from the previous week's discussion threads.